Very good morning to one and all. This is Dwarkanath, pursuing CA Foundation in Masterminds. We all know that Masterminds is not a name. We all know that from Purans to till now, we are giving a topmost priority to teachers after our parents. We are celebrating September 5th as Teachers' Day to remember our former President of India, Sri Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Garu. I convey my best wishes to our teaching and our teaching staff. I convey my best wishes to all my gurus who have provided education to bring my life from zero to the present day. We all know that we are facing a pandemic situation, corona outbreak, but our teaching staff are providing a better services and advices and making ready us for November 2020. I am feeling proud to say that our management and our directors, Radha ma'am, Krishna sir, Mohan sir, Prakash sir, providing their advices, motivation, and etc. And they are creating a bond between teaching staff and students. I can surely say that a teacher can make all these professions, but an engineer cannot make an engineer, a doctor cannot make a doctor, a CA cannot make a CA. Once again, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to one and all. This is Praveen, studying CA Foundation in Guntur Masterminds. First of all, I want to wish you a happy Teachers' Day to all staff and non-teaching staff. I want to say a special thanks to our directors Radha Madam, Krishna sir, Prakash sir and Mohan sir. Masterminds is not an institution for us all, it is a family for us all. Masterminds మాకు ఫ్యామిలీ లాంటిది. వాళ్ళు చాలా కేరింగ్గా చూసుకుంటారు. వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని ఎలా అయితే కేరింగ్గా చూసుకుంటారో అంత కేరింగ్గా చూసుకుంటారు మమ్మల్ని కూడా. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే షెడ్యూల్స్ సూపర్గా ఉంటాయి. నాకు ఆ షెడ్యూల్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఆ షెడ్యూల్స్ ద్వారా చాలా స్కోర్ చేయొచ్చు. బిలో యావరేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ కూడా మంచి స్కోర్ చేయొచ్చు ఆ షెడ్యూల్స్ ద్వారా. అంత సూపర్గా ఉంటాయి. ఈవెన్ ఈ పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా వాళ్ళు మాకు రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంతా వాళ్ళ హార్డ్ వర్క్ వల్ల చాలా సూపర్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఈ పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా రివిజన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. అంత ఈజీ ఏం కాదు. వాళ్ళ హార్డ్ వర్క్ వల్ల, వాళ్ళు చేసే కష్టం వల్లే మాకు ఈ రివిజన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఎ గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
Good morning to everyone. This is Venu. I am studying CA Foundation in the Masterminds. I wish all the teachers, directors, and non-teaching staff wish you happy Teachers' Day. First of all, my thanks to our directors because they conduct exams on every weekend to encourage us. They have provided the best teachers to teach us. And after second year, there is a lockdown. In lockdown, they conduct online classes to teach us and with more efforts. Not only conducting online classes, they are visiting us in online and asking the problems facing by us, and they are also solved by them. And they conducting exams in online in the Telegram and also sending the suggested answers in online. So thanks to everyone in the Masterminds.
Good afternoon, Nanda. My name is Venkat Sam. I am a student of Masterminds studying CA Foundation. So first of all, I would like to thank to all of our directors, Radha ma'am, Krishna sir, Mohan sir and Prakash sir. They provide us with the best updated material in spite of this corona pandemic. So they conducted revision exams and study hours for our sake to secure good marks in CA Foundation. So I would like to thank once again to them.
Good morning. First of all, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all of our directors, Mohan sir, Prakash sir, Radha madam and Krishna sir. They have been providing a service of online classes during the corona crisis also. మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్న ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ మాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతున్నాయి సార్. మేము ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ని కూడా మీరిచ్చిన మోటివేషన్ వల్ల, మీరిచ్చిన కరేజ్ వల్ల మేము చాలా కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయగలిగాం సార్. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మీరు ప్లాన్ చేసిన రివిజన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానివ్వండి చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతున్నాయి సార్. వీఆర్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బీ ఎ మాస్టర్మైండ్ స్టూడెంట్ సార్, అండ్ వీఆర్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బీ ఎ కామర్స్ స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్ టఫ్ సొసైటీ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, and once again I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day sir. Thank you.
Hi to all, my name V. Sari Vichandu, a CA Foundation student, wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all my directors, Prakash sir, Mohan sir, Radha ma'am and Krishna sir and all my below teachers. First of all, I want to say that the Masterminds is providing one of the best services of online classes through Zoom app during this pandemic crisis, and also connecting revision exams, chapter end exams and weekend exams with clear-cut policies by the management. It is also too great, sir. Now, while coming to the intermediate course of Masterminds, We have completed our exams with pre-plan and the way of planning by our management without any fear, and we have completed our exams successfully. While coming to the CA course, the Masterminds Institute is the only institute to provide a CA course greatly. It is too good, sir, and the pass percentage of Masterminds is too good, sir. And last but not least, Masterminds is a golden opportunity to doing CA course along with CMA.
This is Ishwar from Senior SLT5 Sushma Sirisha Campus, Gunturu. A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who dream the success of their students, especially for Radha ma'am, Krishna sir, Mohan sir and Prakash sir. And they've done a great job towards CA courses in this Masterminds College. I started my journey in Masterminds since 2018. In this 2 years and 2 years 6 months time, I got very surprised and thankful to the directors for their passion towards commerce and the services led by them for us. And also they given as a financial support even in cases of a late payment of fees dues. And very thank you sir for your gratitude towards us, and also very thank for the respect you shows towards the students. And there is a great quality in Masterminds is revision exams, and the standard of revision exams will not be will always be more than the standards of ICAI, and I'm thankful for maintaining such standards as a revision exams, and also very thankful for the services you have been provided for us even though in this pandemic situation as through Zoom classes, and for your passion towards commerce course. I am very thankful to the directors and faculty of commerce, and also a very happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you sir.
Hi, I am Anvesh. I am studying CA Foundation in Masterminds. First of all, I would like to say thanks to teaching and non-teaching staff, and especially to our directors, because it is not easy to conduct the online classes and exams in these pandemic situations, but our institution provides these services for us. Thank you to directors, teaching and non-teaching staff.